Hello everyone, I am Fareen Hina and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will tell you how you can create charts in Excel. Before creating chart, I would like you to tell you that what is a chart. A chart is a representation of data. Charts make it easier for us to understand large quantities of data. They help us see the relationship between different parts of the data. Excel supports various types of charts. Types of charts: line chart, column chart, 3D column chart, bar chart, scatter chart, pie chart, donut chart, area chart, radar chart, 3D surface chart. Let's move forward and see the components of a chart. Data table, x-axis, y-axis, chart title, axis title, chart area, plot area, legend, grid lines, data label. So now finally I am going to tell you how you can create a chart in Excel. Let's move forward to the Excel sheet. So viewers, you can see that now we are on our Excel sheet, and over here to create a chart, first we have to enter data. So randomly we can enter some names and data to it. First column can be of name, second test 2, first name can be Isa, 87, 95, second can be 92 and 89. Next name can be Sabika. Test 1 score can be 78 and test 2 83. Next can be Visma. Test 1 is 84 and test 2 is 72. So here we have created our data, and let's see how we can create now a chart with the help of this data. First we will select this and then go to the insert tab, and now we are going to click on this. So like this, it is in front of you how we have created. First you have to select the data, then your chart will appear on it. And if we want to create a next chart, data is already selected, go in the insert tab, and if we want to create a pie chart, we are just going to click on it, and you can see that the data is over here for the pie chart as well. Next, let us try one more chart. Go again in the insert tab and let's see about line chart. So this is the line chart over here. So it's very simple to create a chart on Excel when you have the proper data. Bar chart, let's go for the bar chart. You can see the bar chart is over here. The only thing you will have to do is just create the data and press enter to it. Let's see scatter. This is here. Let's try one more. Other charts, donut chart. See it like this. First you have to select the data. If your data is not selected, then you won't be able to make the chart. Let's see if we have some other options in this. See the radar also. And last we are going to try the bubble chart, this one. See. So I hope viewers that this video was useful for you all. Do let me know in the comment section.